how are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today's video is exciting because we are doing a sneak peek of an upcoming box. This is the Sudsy Club. This is a soap subscription, and this is the February and March box. So like I said, this is a soap subscription. It's like a luxury soap subscription. So it costs only $25 every other month. One thing I love about it, I am just obsessed with bi-monthly boxes these days. So you pay $25 every other month, but I do have a code. It's not affiliated, it's just to help you guys out. It's Kitty20. I'll leave it here on the screen and down in the description box. That will save you 20% off your first box. So your first box will be around $20. You get 3 soaps every month and then 1 like bath and spa item. And it always comes in this cute blue box, and the soaps always smell so good. I can't wait to see what's in here. I'm gonna leave all the information and the link to their website down below, but yeah, let's get this box open. And I open it up. This is what it looks like. There's a card on top that says Sudsy Club February. And look, they have little hearts for Valentine's Day. I still can't believe it's January, and it's like the middle of January right now. And on the inside, it talks about all of the items that come inside. And then here's a little sneak peek. It smells really good. What is that? Okay, let's start with the first one on top. This soap says it is the Sweet Spice Silk Bar. And also on the label it says all natural artisan soap, only the finest ingredients. And then there's some wording on the back. It says, made with the highest quality plant-based oils and butters, along with therapeutic-grade essential oils and botanicals. The natural oils and butters leave your skin feeling soft and moisturized, not drying like commercial soaps. Our soaps contain no chemicals, no artificial fragrance, and no artificial coloring. Oh my god, this smells so good. The name of this is perfect. Sweet Spice. There's like spice and sweet. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let's see what it says in here about it. So it says, this bar smells amazing. It really does. It says, scented with cassia and sweet orange essential. Cassia is a type of cinnamon. It is infused with rose kaolin clay and tussa silk, which is cruelty-free. The large amounts of shea butter we put into our bars makes it extra creamy and moisturizing. The scent is uplifting, with and comes across almost as sweet, spicy cherry. I believe this bar will be a favorite of everyone. Oh my god, I love it. I seriously just finished a soap in my shower, so whatever my favorite is, I'm gonna open it and I can show you what their bars of soap look like. But isn't the packaging really cute? Like, if you feel overloaded with soaps, if you get this box and you're like me, you're only one person, you can like gift one of these soaps because they're so cute. Or the subscription itself would be a great gift, but love the packaging. It smells so good. Oh, but yeah, let's move on to the next one. Ooh, this one's called Lavender Dreams. This would be perfect when you take like nighttime showers because lavender is so calming. And the front and the back, they show the same things or the same words. So just showing you what it looks like. This smells like lavender, like you would suspect. It smells really good. So it says, this bar is so pretty and smells heavenly. If you love the scent of peppermint, this bar is for you. It has rose kaolin clay swirled throughout, which is awesome for your skin. Peppermint essential oil is known to be uplifting and just leaves you with a sense of well-being. It's a great way to start your day or end it. The bar leaves your skin silky soft and moisturized. So there must be peppermint in here too. Yeah, it's... At first I got mostly the scent of lavender, but I think there is peppermint in here. Either way, it smells so good. And then the third and last soap bar is called Cocoa Mint Silk Bar. Cocoa Mint Silk Bar. Sorry, I'm stumbling over my words. The first video I film in a day, I always am stumbling over my words. This smells good. It smells like cocoa and mint, like they named their bar as well. So the Cocoa Mint Silk Bar, yes, cocoa, oh, and silk, wow. This bar is amazing. Who doesn't like cocoa? So true. Lather this bar up and let the cocoa nourish your skin. It is scented with peppermint and spearmint. These essential oils mixed with the cocoa powder smells heavenly. The silk and large amounts of shea used makes this bar crazy good. Give it a try, you won't be sorry. These all smell really good. Like, I honestly like all of them, but I have to say that Sweet Spice Silk Bar, they were right. They said, I believe this bar will be a favorite of everyone. This is my favorite. So let's open this up so I can show you what their soaps look like. I don't want to open all at once because I want to, like, if I take off the outer packaging, I'll forget what's what, even though you can smell them. So this is what the sweet and spice looks like. It's definitely the right color for sweet and spicy. Smells so good. So let's move on to the extra item, or like the spa item. Ooh, it looks like it's some bath salts. It's in this little container here. It says Dead Sea bath salts. Let's open it up and show you closer. There was a safety seal. It came off when I opened it. This kind of citrusy and spicy as well. Oh my gosh. Or am I smelling the soap? Let's see. I think it does though. It says luxurious and therapeutic naturally scented bath salts. You can now experience the restorative benefits of Dead Sea salt combined with aromatic citrus essential oils. Thoughtfully combined with pink Himalayan salt for the best synergy in your bath. Dead Sea salt is packed with natural minerals and is deeply healing and effective for soothing dry skin issues. Simply pour the salt into a hot bath, swirl to disperse, soak, and relax. And it says reduce plastic waste, repurpose this container if possible. I definitely will, because I have some other like products similar to this, but they're like in bags, and I think this is just easier, less messy to keep in here. So this definitely is citrusy. I think I was smelling like the spice from this along with the citrus. Well, Emmy's in here. I kind of want to show you guys Emmy. Emmy, you haven't made an appearance in a long time. Come here. She does not like being held though. Emmy. Oh, I got up to grab her and she ran away. But anyways, I think this was a great box. I think this soap might be my favorite soap I've ever gotten from them. I wish you guys can smell. Just imagine. Sweet Spice Silk Bar. How do they describe it again? So it's with cassia, which is like a cinnamon type essential oil, and then sweet orange essential oil. God, that combination is great. I need to check out my essential oil collection because maybe I can like diffuse those. Oh, Emmy's back. Come here. Sorry, you guys are probably annoyed at me talking about my cute cat. I like leave a picture of her on the screen or something so you can see her because she won't let me pick her up. But anyways, if you guys are interested in this box, definitely subscribe and make sure to use the code if you do to save some money. I think this is a great soap subscription, and so does Emmy. Oh, I'm sorry. But that was her saying she agrees. This is a great soap subscription. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.